Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with towel-blotted hair, about 70 to 80% damp, because the mask activates with moisture. First, detangle gently and split hair into 4 sections so product spreads evenly. Then, dispense 1/2 to 1 pump per section. Thicker or longer hair needs more. Apply from mid-length to ends first, then work toward the roots if needed. Once done, comb through with a wide-tooth comb to distribute the mask. This prevents clumps and guarantees uniform penetration. You now focus on enhancing absorption. Massage the mask for 1 to 2 minutes to push product into the cuticle. Once massaged, cover hair with a shower cap to trap heat and moisture. If you can, add gentle 5 to 10 degree warm heat for deeper penetration. Process for 10 to 20 minutes, shorter for fine hair, longer for porous or very dry hair. Make sure to monitor time. Overprocessing won't help and can leave residue, so set a timer and relax. You finish by rinsing with cool to lukewarm water until the water runs clear, which seals the cuticle and locks in shine. Gently squeeze out excess water and apply a light leave-in or a few drops of oil to damp ends to maintain softness. If you notice heaviness or buildup after repeated use, clarify once a month with a sulfate-free clarifying wash. This removes residue without stripping natural oils. If hair feels brittle, reduce frequency and focus, mask on mid-lengths.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.